everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to show you how to make bread pudding. Right, you need 250 grams of bread, wholemeal, white bread, whatever you like, and then you tear it into pieces. You need mixed fruit, which you need 250 grams of that too. You need mixed spice, 1 tablespoon. Okay, and what you do, you break up your bread and you mix it with your dry fruit and your spice, mixed spice. Okay, there's your mixed spice, and we're gonna weigh it out for you and then tip it in to the ingredients. Sprinkle it all over the top. That's it. It smells good. Right, next you make up tea. Okay, you need 300 ml of milky tea. So I made some tea and then add some milk to it, make it quite milky, and then you just pour it over your mixture. Okay, and then you let the bread soak up all the juices, all the liquid, and the bread starts going sort of mushy. Right, you need to give it a bit of a squidge it with your fingers until the mixture goes all sort of pulpy. It's soaked up all the tea and the milk, and it still smells delicious. Yeah, you're gonna need to wash your hands after you've done that bit. It's a bit messy. Right, then you're gonna need some butter. You need 50 grams of melted butter. So I'm gonna weigh it, which is what I'm doing now, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave to melt it. Silly woman. And then you put your mixture into a lined tray or baking tray, and then you just pour the melted butter. Make sure your butter is melted over the top of the pudding. Okay. Push your mixture into the into your tray or whatever you're using, and just tip the butter over the top and let the bread pudding soak up the butter. Nice. Okay, like that. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some caster sugar. That is what I forgot to show you as well. You do need to put, my brain, I will list the ingredients afterwards. You do need to put sugar into the mixture when you're doing your mixed spice. I did forget to mention that bit. I don't know why. Anyway, sprinkle it with quite a bit of sugar. You know, be generous. Like that. Right. And what you do next is sort of, so you get quite a crispy top. You want to sort of break up the ingredients a little bit, so it's a little bit not quite so flat as it was, and then the butter also soaks into the mixture. So give it a dab. Don't have to be a knife, you can use a fork. Just give it a little prod up so the butter soaks in and the mixture is not so flat, so you get a bit more of a bobbly top. Okay, nice. Right, yeah, give it a good poke up, and then you're gonna put it in the oven It takes quite a long while, but it's worth it because it tastes really nice. Okay, put the oven on. Put the oven on 160. You can see 160. Okay, and put it in the oven. It takes an hour and a half, but you can keep an eye on it. If it does start to brown off too much on the top, you can cover it with tin foil, but it doesn't usually have that problem. Yep, so an hour and a half. And then this is what it comes out like. Delicious. So if you cover the tray with a bit of tin foil, it makes it easier to bring out. And then I've cut a piece, and this is what it looks like when it's cooked. It is very tasty, great with a cup of tea, as you can imagine. Also good with some nice custard. You can have it when it's warm, and a nice bit of custard or some cream